Hey traders, welcome back to another exciting NASDAQ daily trade review. Before we dive into the charts, I want to share some incredible news with you. Two of our dedicated community members, Tai and Jacob, have just achieved funding using the Moneymaker setup. This is a huge milestone and a testament to their hard work, discipline, and mastery of our strategy. So, congrats Tai and Jacob, you guys are an inspiration to us all. For those of you who might be new here, the Moneymaker setup is a game-changing trading strategy that focuses on trading with the trend structure, entering from the 50% of an unmitigated structure, and aiming for a 1-to-1 risk-reward ratio. This simple setup has not only transformed my trading journey, but also helped countless traders in our community achieve financial freedom. So, stick around to see how you can apply this powerful strategy to your own trades. Now, let's get into the heart of today's video. We're going to dissect every move the NASDAQ made throughout the entire day. I'll be breaking down key trades, explaining the rationale behind each decision, and highlighting how the Moneymaker setup can help you achieve similar success. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, there's something valuable here for everyone. Okay, so before doing anything, let's take a look at the M12. So in the M12, we had this zone that we broke, but never came back to the 50%. And we are now accumulating in the M12 to reach maybe after this 50%. But this accumulation is very tradable because we were still making higher highs and respecting trades from zones. Okay, so we were now in this last bullish M12 zone. Okay, so this is still accumulation above this zone, so that's why price action has been ugly these days. Now let's go back to the M1. We're seeing that after taking this higher time frame high, we changed the order flow and we are now mitigating deeply in this M12 zone. Okay, so this M12 zone had this unmitigated glitch in here. So after daily open, that will be my first trade I will take. Okay, so limits are in 50%. And as always, I'm going for the 1-to-1. So that's a huge zone with the 70 points, but you need to adjust your risk accordingly. You can use here just 1 micro or something like that for risking $100. So markets opened and tagged us in. I don't think it's possible. Why? Because they won't allow us to be in now. So let's see if they can allow us to be in. So actually the 1-to-1 is given before the market has opened. So I'm just deleting my limits. Okay. So for me, this was my last protected high, and this was my last week low in this bearish trend. But now we flipped, maybe possibly to bullish. So this was now my bullish zone. I'm not taking any trades. Why? Because it's very risky, and this can be only accumulation for this zone. Okay, so I'm not taking any trades till they take this high. So I'm not trusting this bearish zone for short. Why? Because we are in a higher time frame zone, bullish zone, and we just reacted from the glitch. Okay, very important to stay in line with price. So let's see if this 1-to-1 ends up delivering. Indeed, that would have been our first win, but we didn't take it, unfortunately. Okay. So as I said, this is now my second bullish zone. Now, mind you, I'm trading with the current price action. I'm just forgetting about those bearish unmitigated zones. Why? Because I think price is now reaching for the highs. They won't respect anything here. Okay. Now we have our perfect zone and we have our accumulation just above, but I like how we broke this zone up and accumulated before going back to it. So I'm taking this 1-to-1. Okay. So we're in and the 1-to-1 instantly delivered. So 1 win, 0 loss. Let's keep playing price now. If we make it back to this zone, I will take another zone, or if we take this zone, this will be my new zone. Okay. So we ended up closing above this zone. Okay. So this is now my new zone. If they come back here, I'm taking another long. Okay. Again, I'm not trusting anything here. Why? Because we're in a range and this is top of the range and bottom of the range is here. And everything at the 50% will be dinner. Okay. Let's see what happening in this part of the price. Okay. So okay, so price is just playing around, no problem. Okay. All right, so we have now a deal in range. Why? Because we took this sell side liquidity and then took the buy side liquidity, and we are in a bullish market, so I'm trusting trade in this 50%. Okay, so in bullish markets I want a low taken first and then a high, then I will place my limits at the 50%. Okay, let's see. So we're in and another win. Cool. Let's see. We create another bullish zone. Okay, so actually we created another mini bullish zone on the second chart and this gave also the 1-to-1. Okay. Right, so we created this zone again. Let's delete this one. So we create this zone, we accumulated and create inducement at the highs and the 1-to-1 is given. Okay. Not counting any of this. All right. Why? Because we are trading now on the M1 and I want only M1 trades. Okay. But nonetheless, this is still an internal M1 structure. Okay. So this is now my internal zone. I'm taking this 1-to-1. Okay. See. Okay. So the 1-to-1 is delivered. Okay. So 3 wins, 0 loss. As I always say, guys, you're not obliged to take very a lot of trades, 3 wins or 2 wins, and you will be good and just leave the market and do something else, enjoy life. So market wicked above those highs. So I'm not touching anything now. Because why? Double tops maybe takes the lows. Okay? First low and maybe the second one. So now I'm just watching. Okay? So we created, this was our last protected low in this microstructure. Okay? So we created this. We created this bearish zone. See if price give us. So we're in. Okay. We're in this short. And fourth win. Okay. Most important thing here is risk management. We need to risk the same amount of money. Okay. You need to be fast, calculate the lot size fast, and you'll be okay. So we left this zone, created this zone, and left again. So I wanted to take a trade here, but it didn't fill me. Again, I'll try to get filled here. This 50%. And another win. Okay. See how it's powerful to stay with what is price telling you now, not what's happening in this part of the price. Okay. Okay, cool. Now we have my new protected high is this one, and my new week low is this one. So will they give me another trade? Okay. So they just touched it and left. This is now my new trade. But my rule here, whenever I have a zone unmitigated just above a new zone, I don't take this trade, but take this one. Okay, so that's our rule. But I will still take this trade because why? Sometimes price just touch the mitigation block and runs. So if they give me a trade here, I'll just take it. Okay? But those trades are very high risk, not like if you take it from here or from here. So let's see. So as predicted, a loss. But I'm taking a trade as soon as price make it here. Okay. So let's see if we're in. Cool. So no trade yet. So we're tagged in and our sixth one. Okay. Let's delete now these zones. Okay. So now week low is this and projection high is this one. What's special about this range is this glitch zone. Okay, so I'm taking here only the glitch. So I'm tugged in and another win. If you took the whole zone, that's also a win. Okay, oh, very good. Now, internal structure, I see this beautiful bearish zone. So I'm taking the 1-to-1 from it and another win. Those trades were in London today. They were beautiful. Now, let's wait for price to tell us what to do. So we closed above this range, internal range. So we're now maybe bullish. Okay, let's delete everything else. Okay, so we got up. And I remember the guys asking me today if you have to take bearish trades from here. And I was like, price is ranging. Why? Because this low failed to take this high. So we are maybe in a ranging situation. And in ranging situations, go and counter trend. We only trust the glitch. Okay. So I took this glitch with the guys. We were waiting, to be honest. It took a lot of time before going up there. So we got filled here. And it was a win. 9 wins, 1 loss. Okay. Here I went to the 15 seconds. And I saw some beautiful trades. So I took this one from 50%. And I added in this glitch area here. So 2 trades, bullish zone. So I took 1 mini here and 1 mini in this glitch 50%. So price went down and it ended up giving me the win. Okay, so 10 wins, 1 loss. So here price just kept weakening, so I didn't have to take any trade. Why? Again, because double bottom or double top takes the lows. Okay, I was doing nothing here and I just came back to the M1 and kept waiting for something to appear. Okay, so now we have created again an ICT bullish dealing range. So I was waiting for price to come back to it. So got tagged in and another win. Okay. So we created another zone and I'm taking it again from the 50% and another win. We again created this new bullish zone, and mind you, there is a bearish trend that give a 1-to-1 here, but I'm not counting it because I found out that most of my losers came from counter trend trades. I'm always following current structure. Okay, so this one just missed me. Now we took this higher time frame high, so I'm not taking any bullish trend or trades here. Although this gave the one-to-one, but oh well, you know, you'll find more trades. Okay, so this is the last bullish zone, protected low, weak high. So I'm taking this from this 50%, and it was a loss. No problem. So we were bearish. So I'm trying to get to recover my loss by taking a trade from here, which is a win in one candle. Okay, it was so risky. Why? Because we wicked about under a higher time frame low, but it is what it is. Sometimes like to gamble too. So here is our change of order flow. It's happened, and 14th win. Okay, new zone here. Come on, we're in, and 15th win. Cool. Right, so now, sorry, we took this higher time frame, M12 week high. Okay, so now it's also market open, so I'm not taking anything till it's clear to me. Also, there is this zone created that gave the one-to-one, but rules are rules. Okay, let's bring this here. I demand a change of order flow before taking anything, and the change of order flow is closing under it, under this low. So now I'm putting some money to this short. Okay, I'm in. It was painful. I remember this trade. It took a lot of time, but it was a win. 16 wins, 0 losses. Waiting for a new bearish zone. Here it is. Okay. Price touched it and fell. So now this is my protected high, weak low. Although there is a unmitigated zone above, but in New York, you know, they give you a trade, you have to take it. So I'm taking it from this 50%, and was another win. Okay, we took this low close here, touched the zone again, and created a new protected high. So if they give me the 50%, I'm in again. So another win, right? Again, now my protected high is this smaller one. They tag me, I'm in. Okay, so new protected high and weak low. Okay,
They tag me again, I'm in. Alright, so they just fall in. Okay, not doing anything. Okay. And that's 3 o'clock, basically the end of day. Okay, so we ended up today with 18 wins and 2 losses, which is again a great win rate if you ask me. My advice is not try to take anything you can see because you will get tired and your eyes won't spot correct zones anymore. So just 1 or 2 high quality zones is all you need to become maybe a millionaire if you want. Okay? So that wraps up today's NASDAQ Daily Trade Review. I hope you found the breakdown of these trades insightful and that it helps you in your trading journey. Remember, the key to success with the Moneymaker setup is consistency, discipline, and continuous learning. Congratulations once again to Tai and Jacob for their incredible achievement of getting funded. Your success stories are a reminder of what's possible with dedication and the right strategy. So if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please guys give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow traders. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. We have more exciting content and trade reviews coming your way. Also, make sure to join our Discord community, the Moneymaker Traders, where you can connect with other like-minded traders, share your successes, and learn from each other. You will find the link in the description below. So thanks for watching traders, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy trading and stay disciplined. Ciao ciao.